Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. My name is Nurul Amira Natasha binti Mawardi. My matric number is E23A2699. I am currently pursuing a Bachelor of Applied Science Environmental Sustainability Science with Honours. My field of interest is water quality. Today, I would like to present my mini project about removal of oil using rubber seat at Jetty Nam Heng, Sungai Tiram, Johor. So, this is my background of study. Oil pollution occurs due to both activities such as maintenance and refueling at the Nam Heng Jetty Sungai Tiram. Common clean-up method use synthetic or chemical absorbent which are abrasive and not eco-friendly. Rubber seat heavier brasilensis have high potential as natural oil absorbent, cheap, easy to find and environmentally friendly. So, my problem statement: oil spill polluted water, harm marine life, and affect fishermen income. Most current absorbents are abrasive and unstable and unsustainable for small fishes community. A safer, more effective and low cost solution is needed. So, I have two objectives to my mini project. Number one, to study the effectiveness of rubber seat as a natural oil absorbent. And number two, to test the oil absorption capacity of rubber seat under controlled lab condition. Scope of study: use rubber seat, clean, dry and ground. Tested, we use lubricating oil and all tests conducted in a lab setting. And so my significance of study offer a simple and low cost way to clean oil spill, help protect the environment and support local fishermen, promote the reuse of agriculture waste like rubber seed. So this is my location, Nam Heng Fisherman Jetty Sungai Tiram, Johor, often affected by oil spill from both activities. No previous study has studied rubber seed as an oil absorbent here. So my literature review. Previous study show rubber seed can become activity carbon with oil absorption up to 0.896 gram per gram. Ahmad et al. 200 to 3. The absorption follow a Purdue second order kinetic model, chemical interaction. Natural rubber composite also show good oil absorption. Rubber seed contain active compound and can be turned into biochar with pore structure suitable for oil absorption. So this is my methodology. Number one, sample collecting and preparation. Rubber seed collected, cleaning, sun dry off oven dry at 60 darjah Celsius, then ground into powder. And number two, experimental design. Use lubricating oil as the pollutant. 3 powder weight, 1 gram, 1 gram, 3 gram, 5 gram. It tested 3 minutes. So, 30 minutes filter then wait. And number 3, laboratory analysis follow ASTM F7 to C17 standard method of measure of absorption. And number 4, data analysis. Calculate average absorption for its group and ensure result in bar chart. Microsoft Excel used for calculation and graph creation. And equipment use digital balance, gradient, lead filter, oven use lubricating oil container, beaker, drain, and Microsoft Excel. So my simple presentation of Gantt chart and milestone is the Gantt chart and milestone to my project. It shows the planning of activities from week 1 to week 14. Week 1 to 3, I focus on collecting, cleaning and drying the rubber sheet. Week 4 and week 5 involve grading and sieving. And the oil absorption experiment was carried out from week 6 to week 10, followed by filter, weight and data analysis. Finally, the report writing, reviewing, printing and submission were completed from week 8 to week 14. With the planning, I was able to ensure that each activity was complete on a schedule and the research was carried out in an organized manner. So this is my research budget. Transport, site visit, first 400 and binding 14, scanning electron microscope 300, rubber sheet RM10 and totally at 30. So my reference Ahmad Aziz, Bauris Tahir, Mardiati M. Raswamati and Putra MD Al Bakri. So thank you.